Omukwiza w'ekikolwa olukulu Jacob Oulanya asinkanya abakungu b'eggwanga erya Romania wabula bano abalaze obutali bumativu bwalina n'abakungu b'eggwanga eryo omuli okusosola abaddugavu ono era abawadde ekyokulabirako ekyaliwo bwe yali alina olukuŋŋaana lwagenzeemu mu ggwanga lino wabula ne bamutambuza ebbanga erisoba mayiro ennamba n'agezaako okubannyonnyola kyali wabula ne beesuulirayo gwa Nagamba. Era wano akulembeddemu abakungu okuva mu ggwanga lino yeetonze n'asuubiza okutuusa okwemulugunya kwe eri bye kikwatako.
Passage of the delegation, so I need to apologize for that. I will take this up with Bucharest. I really regret that, but I must assure you that it's not something of coming from an attitude or conduct towards our partners, but merely a protocol big mistake. So well, we will seek for that later on. Thirdly,
Jacob Oulanya asuubiza nga bwe bajja okutondawo enkolagana wakati w'enkiiko zombi enkulu okuli olw'eggwanga erya Romania awamu n'eggwanga erya Uganda.
Uganda is reaching out to all partners to try and strengthen the relationship, especially where we had really good relationship, and we try to see how to build them up. Whatever happened that caused a low-key play of our relationship, now we want to revamp and see how we can make this relationship better.
Era abalaze awali obwetaavu mwe basobola okwenyigira nga balesa ensimbi omuli ebyenjigiriza ebyobulamu ebyobulimi.
A lot of it. This country is actually very gifted. There is no one mineral you'll mention that you don't find it in Uganda. Almost everything is in this country. So that's why we have now coined a phrase called Uganda is gifted by nature. And it's a lot to see, it's a lot to do, and the cooperation areas can even be wider than these specific ones to see, especially when the private people are brought in, because government institutions are sometimes slow to get things put together, but when you get the business people doing things, they run with things much faster than us bureaucrats and politicians.
Banera basuubiza nga bwe bagenda okusinkana abakungu ab'enjawulo mu ggwanga omuli ministries ezitali zimu awamu n'ebitongole ebirala okumanya we basobola okussa ensimbi zaabwe.
And one of the main priorities of Romania right now is to support green energy and protection of the environment. This is why it will be nice to have, you know, some cooperation on how we can on river and sea systems. You have here the source of the Nile. Romania has the Danube river and also the Black Sea coast. So protecting the environment, make it more green.
Yes, Chigongo, Kurwa Channel 44 Oregulo.